the morning.
What happened yesterday? Where did you go? We went to a party.
You went to party, yeah?
And there's what? There's a clown.
The girl.
Is the clown scary or not?
The clown are scary. Scary.
Scary?
Yeah.
Who did you meet? You meet your cousin Maya.
Yeah.
We played together.
Yeah.
Oh, and then what else? What did you do?
Mama, what's that?
That's milk. You drink milk. That's powder milk. Okay. Oh, what else? Tell them. You went to the party. You danced with Maya and who's that? Kuromi,
Yeah.
the mascot. And what else? Nagsayaw si Kuromi, nag-TikTok. Nag-dance din kayo ni Maya. Tell them that you dance. How about what you eat? Is it yum?
And chicken and hot chocolate mix.
Wow.
And noodles.
Noodles you eat? Tapos,
Yeah.
di ba may you receive a loot bag of chocolates?
And Mama, this one is no food. And now it is right.
Oh, so good. So you are happy? Ah, you are happy? Oh, that's nice. Mag-pray ka na tayo. You pray. You say,
Dad,
thank you,
I
Jesus.
love you.
Thank you. Amen.
Amen.
Very good morning. Let's meet you again, guys, later. Sabi mo, magbabay ka na.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
See you next live.